How to fix iCloud notes not syncing. To fix the iCloud notes not syncing, first of all, you have to enable the notes in iCloud settings. Launch the settings application on your iPhone or iPad. Now you simply have to tap your name at the very top of the menu screen. Then tap the iCloud option, then go to See All under the app using iCloud section. Locate the notes in the list and ensure it is turned on. Once you turn this feature on, you simply have to check for the On My iPhone and account restrictions by opening the Natives Notes app. Tap back arrow or the folders in the top left corner to view your main folder directory. From there, look for a section titled On My iPhone or Local Account. If your notes are in this section, open the notes, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Move Note and choose an iCloud destination folder to force them on iCloud. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.